Let's be honest, this is boring. We've been staring at the same basic slab of glass for over a decade. And even the folding phones are just one tablet. Big whoop. But what if your phone could unfold into a screen so massive, it would make your iPad Pro nervous? What if you could open 3 full apps at once without going cross-eyed? Folks, the rumors are real. Samsung is cooking up a monster called the Z Trifold, and it's so insane, it makes every other phone look like a paperweight. If you're excited about the future of tech, you're in the right place. Smash that like button, subscribe with notifications on, and let's get into what could be the craziest phone ever made. So first things first, what in the world is a trifold? Imagine this. In your pocket, it's a thick but pocketable phone. You unfold it once, boom, tablet. Pretty standard, right? But then, you keep going. You unlock a second fold. Boom. Suddenly, you're holding a massive, seamless 10.5-inch screen that literally just came out of your jeans. This isn't just a bigger screen, people, this is a whole new category. Think about it. You could have your email, your YouTube video, and your group chat open all at once, with no squinting. You could be editing a video timeline without feeling cramped. Or, and this is the one that gets me, you could be watching the big game on a screen that shames your iPad, all from the palm of your hand. The possibilities are absolutely insane. Now, how does Samsung pull off this magic trick? It's all about the engineering. We're talking about a brand new dual hinge system that has to be a complete miracle. And the screen, rumor has it, it's a new ultra-thin glass 2.0 that makes the crease practically disappear. When this thing is open, it's just one giant, stunning pane of glass. And the display specs are a gamer's dream, a dynamic AMOLED 3X with a refresh rate that rockets from a battery-saving 1 Hz all the way up to a buttery-smooth 144 Hz. Can you imagine playing Call of Duty mobile on a screen this big with that kind of performance? It's unreal. Camera. But a screen this good needs a camera that can keep up. And here's the genius part. Let me say that again. You get 200 megapixel selfies. No more grainy, low-quality front camera video calls. You're getting studio-quality video from a device that fits in your pocket. That's a game changer for every creator, influencer, and anyone who just wants to look good on Zoom. Performance. To power a beast like this, you need some serious muscle under the hood. We're hearing the Trifold phone to run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip, paired with a ridiculous 16 GB of RAM. This thing won't just multitask, it will absolutely obliterate anything you throw at it. Price and launch date. Alright, the moment of truth. When can you get it, and how many organs will it cost? Our sources point to a late 2025 reveal, with a launch maybe in early 2026. Now, take a deep breath. For this much innovation, you're gonna pay for it. The estimated starting price, $2,199.